A good evening, everyone. Back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, November the 8th, 2023. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. 4 of them. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first puzzle will be a 3 stars puzzle, and this one will be number 7412. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Usually, the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 3 printed digits more. Should be a 0 star or a 1 star puzzle. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 0 stars puzzle, 40 minutes. We will see if this is a 1 star or 0 stars or 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We have 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5. No. We have a 5 here. Again, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in the middle row, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and a 3. Alright. Then. How about the number? Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the column next, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 6, 7. Alright. And now. Now. 9. How about 2. I'm thinking. 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Yeah. The 9, the 3, the 1, and the 8 is missing. Well. Okay. The 2 here. The 7 here. The 6 here. 4. Well, we have a pair. We have a no, not quite, but we have some numbers. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. You see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. And we have a 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see a 2 in the second row. No 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2, 4, 7, okay. Then, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, second row, so no 8 there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 in these 3 boxes, so the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, no need to place level 8, could be here, could be there. 7, 2, 4, 5. Then, 6 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 6 here. Need a 4, 6. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, first row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. And we have a 1 in the third column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1. Okay. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column 3, no need to place left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 3. And need a 9. Still thinking. 2. Need a 5 here. Come on. This is taking too long. Must be a hidden number here. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Need a 7. 1, 7. Ay. How about here then? 1, 2. Need a 3. Need a 4. 5. 7. Need a 9 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. We got you. This is the hidden number. This box can be a 1. Oh, can it be a 1? Can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5, can be 6, should be a 7, can be an 8, Can be 9. Yes. Hit the number 7. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in this row. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And I've eliminated a 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated a 4, so the 4 goes here. Alright. 7, 7. Need a 7 here. 7, 7, 7. 7, 7, 7. 2, 2. Need a 2 here. 2 in this row. 2 in the second row. And third row. Only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. See a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. Then need a 1 here. Need a 8. And I need a 6 here. Well. How about these two missing numbers in the second row for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and 9. How about these 3 missing numbers? 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 here, so the 4 should... Oh, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. So the only place left with 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Yeah. Cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Here also 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. 1 and a 3. 1, 3 and a 9, okay. 3 and a 9. 3, 9 and a 5, okay. How about these two missing numbers in this column for numbers? 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. 2 numbers, no, well, not 2. 3, 9, need a 4. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between middle column only need 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 in the second column, no 4 there. Only place left for 4 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. I've marked this box, these two boxes with a 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. Third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the row below, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Then 3 and a 9 also, okay. 3, 9 and the 7, need a 7 here. 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6, 7, need a 7, need a 8, and need a 2. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8 in this big square. We have a 2 and a 7 in the last row, so no 2 and a 7 in this box. 2 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this big square for number 8. 8, 8, 8. 1 and 8, we have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 and a 3 are left in this column. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 7 goes there. The 7 in this row, the 7 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, the same numbers, 3 and 9. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there, finished in 16 minutes. Not faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 20 minutes. But we solve it again, And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.